Hey, what's up everybody? Corey from CJ Pony Parts here, and today we're at Manderbach Ford in Hamburg, Pennsylvania to check out the Hennessy Performance Velociraptor 400. Don't worry, you definitely heard me correctly. Today we actually have two Velociraptor 400s. Now these are far off from your normal Bronco. These actually get sent out to Hennessy to have the package put on, which is the Velociraptor 400. Now if you don't know what Hennessy Performance is, Hennessy is a third-party company that takes vehicles and makes them perform a lot better. So for example, these two Ford Broncos. These two Ford Broncos here are far off from the factory. They have the normal 2.7 liter twin turbo motor in them, but Hennessy went ahead and installed an exhaust, an intake, and a front mount intercooler. So with all those upgrades together and to be able to get the full benefits out of them, Hennessy goes ahead and applies an ECU tune, which then carries the Bronco to just over 400 horsepower and slightly over 500 foot-pounds of torque. Besides the added power that's going to come with this package, there's a lot of other pieces to it that really make it stand out. One of them being is the new 18-inch Hennessy wheels wrapped in a 35-inch off-road tire, and it's going to come with a matching spare. Now I think these wheels look great, they make the Bronco stand out, and I think they probably should have just did this from the factory to begin with. Besides the wheel and tire combo, it's also going to come with a front and rear leveling kit, a custom front bumper with LED pod lights, and a custom rear bumper to match. With this Velociraptor 400 package, you are going to get a pretty cool livery with it, as you can see behind us. And if you poke your head on the inside, you'll have Hennessy stitching on the headrest. Let us know down in the comment section below of what you think of this package. Personally, I'm a huge fan of it, and I hope to see these on the road and at events in the near future. I want to say thank you to Manderbach Ford for letting us come down here to be able to check them out and film them again. And also, I hope they have the Velociraptor 500 here in the future, because I'm pretty excited about it. I'd love to see that as well. But it's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, check out the link in the description for all your Bronco part needs.